Hello everyone. My name is Ahmad Fauzi. I'm from Tibet 2X semester. As we can see, this is me going to tell about the material to the students with using direct method in the point of view of the students. So in here, the first thing is a perception, talking to the student, and then inviting them to pray together before starting the lessons. So next step, after we are praying together, student with teacher, then the teacher will try to explain the material using the direct method. In this case, direct method is one of the method that directly using English to the student when they are going to teach. So the teacher in here will explain about the material using full English, of course, to the students. We are going to give some example related to how the teacher will explain the material with English to the students. For example, in here, the teacher explained about the animals and some things that are appears in the picture. So the teacher will explain it with full English to the students in order to increase students' motivation about how to speak English fluently, and of course they are going to understand the context of what they are seeing from the teacher explanation, of course. As we can see together, the teacher asks the student what animals are appears on the picture. Those animals are eagle, snake, and some things like the suns, and also some plants like the mushroom. There are also a rain in the picture, so the student will understand what is the meaning of those pictures by seeing it and also explain it by the teacher. So the goals of the direct method is to introduce the new vocabulary to the contextual situation. For example, in here the teacher explain about the vocabulary in the picture rather than through list of isolated words. And also in here, the student will try to correct the pronunciation of the students, emphasizing its place on proper pronunciation and the natural use of the target language. In this case, we are talking about English. Teachers correct mistakes immediately to help students internalize correct forms of how the vocabulary pronounced. So the direct method is great for beginners because it helps them to learn a new language quickly by using it in right way. Students start thinking and speaking in the new language, which helps them pick up basic communication skills fast. However, it can be taught to learn more difficult grammar rules with this method, as this might need extra explanation that the method doesn't provide. So in here, the student. So in the end of the sessions, after we are going to learn about the materials, the teacher will explain it again related to the materials and also giving students some tasks that they're going to do in their house, of course. And then after that, the teacher will close the sessions of the teaching, will sing Alhamdulillah, and then praying together with the students before close the teaching sessions, and then it's over. So that was the explanation related to the direct method, the way the teacher explaining, of course using direct method. And thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.